Indians, we all say Namaste. It's very common in India, right? Namaste. All the fingers comes together, thumb fingers together, right? And touch your chest, center of the chest, which is the heart chakra. That's the Namaste. That's became a meditation in Japan. That's called Gaso. So just for today, do not anger, do not worry, be grateful, work honestly, be kind to every living being, whosoever it is. Whether they are good to you or you feel they are not good, or you go along with them, you do not go well with them, does not really matter. Be kind to every living being and respect honestly, right? Work honestly also, because respect honestly, work honestly, very important. It is not for the sake of doing what. Like if you read about ikigais and all, they all talk about love your what you do, okay? Then the energy flows through your body, right? So be grateful, do not worry, do not anger. These are 5 principles, okay? Dr. Oshu is creator. He has created all these and we all are benefiting out of it. So just for today, do not anger, do not worry, be grateful, work honestly, be kind to every living being, everyone, elderly, younger than you, same age of you, does not really matter. Not only human being, even animals, everything. Respect, love, be kind to everything, right? So these are 5 principles which are important for your Reiki energy learning. Now, along with these 5 principles, there are 3 pillars of Reiki. Concentrate. Simple. Okay? Namaste means you concentrate to an energy source or something that you are going to achieve, right? Or you are going to apply, or you are going to give, or healing. Then you surrender that, okay, I am surrendering myself to this good cause. And finally is the treatment or the healing. Dr. Oshu's 5 principles, daily practice for awareness and regulation. Just for today itself, just one day. Do not anger, do not worry, be grateful, work honestly, be kind to every living being. Be kind to every living being. That is what Oshu's 5 principles talks about, right? Very simple, easy to apply, and you can gain so much, right? So how about the 3 pillars of Reiki practice? There are 3 pillars as per Reiki practice, right? Gasho, Reijiho, and Kairyo. What is that? Gasho is a very simple practice which is called as, Namaste in our India, right? It's like just 2 hands coming together. All fingers are together and then placing your hand in the center of your chest. It heals, it connects yourself with the heart and body. Then Reizio is like, surrender. You surrender yourself for accepting something or healing yourself. And then Kairyo is the treatment itself. So it creates a simple yet profound framework for conscious healing. Geisho, you can say, Geisho is a daily meditation, that quiets mind, aligns the heart, and prepares the practitioner to receive Reiki by setting aside ego and distraction. That's what you connect your mind, body, and you are aware of what is going on. Reizio follows as an act of surrender where intention is released and guidance is invited, allowing Reiki to follow according to a higher wisdom rather than personal will. And Kairyo itself is the actual treatment itself, or the healing, right? Where hands-on healing unfolds naturally. Is like that. This is the 3 pillars of Reiki healing system or the formula. As I mentioned, Gesho is like, two hands coming together. It's like Namaste in India. The meditation of centering, humility and openness, right? This is all about Gesho. And I wanted to talk, as I mentioned, about Swami Vivekananda's principles of spirituality. He was the one of the finest person on the planet who taught spirituality through an actual understanding, okay, not through any other means, right? Very simple. Swami Vivekananda taught spirituality as strength, clarity and self-realization. Remember, self-realization. What happens through all these? What he talks, what he says, that it brings strength, clarity and self-responsibility. Spirituality is experienced, it is not believed. It does not matter whether you believe it or not. As long as you experience, that's the spirituality. Strength and clarity are spiritual qualities, you see. Truth must be verified personally. So important. You must verify truth personally. And then responsibility is essential. Is it not? Is it not the greatest way of learning what is spirituality? We all talk about religion is a spirituality. No, religion is your belief, right? It's your belief system. Spirituality is completely different, right? This is all about Swami Vivekananda's teaching of spirituality, where you get strength, your truth must be verified personally, responsibility is essential, strength and clarity are the cornerstone of spiritual qualities, right? Now, how we are trying to apply those Usui's and Vivekananda principles to crystal healing? What we are trying to link? We are trying to say crystal healing becomes effective when practitioner's inner state is stable, clear and responsible. This is what we have learned from their teachings. Yes or not? They are all teaching us that how to be stable-minded, clear-minded and take responsibility. That is where it comes from, their teaching, and that is what we thought of, letting you know all these. Principles in practice is very important. Applying awareness to daily life and healing, emotional regulation, mental clarity, inner strength, ethical grounding. Ethical grounding is the foundation of everything. Just you must need to memorize all this. Very, very important.